Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis, and of course it's a follow-up for what happened today, and we're gonna take a look at the dominance also for Bitcoin to see what is the potential for this week, which one is higher for Bitcoin or for the altcoins. So as we can see, we have reached the invalidation of a bullish scenario here where we were looking for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as a wave 1. And then, as you can see, it's a very deep wave E here, possibly that we are still inside this triangle until we take the total invalidation of bullish, or let's say invalidation of this triangle as well. And yeah, it's gonna be bearish, of course, yeah, because if we break this triangle toward the downside, it might be, of course, a bearish scenario, meaning a short-term bearish, because we are still here in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And possibly we are looking at something else here as A, B, and a C, probably toward the downside. This structure is, of course, very consolidating here. I can see if we move toward the downside, therefore I have to consider this a wave C probably. And this triangle might be, of course, your wave B, meaning A and then B and a C toward the downside, and your wave B might be A, B, C, D, and an E, of course, and moving for 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. But first, before calling this, I would like, of course, to break this level, which is, let's put also the price action, since we have here a price tag. Here we go at 101K328. So basically, yeah, this is an invalidation for 1, 2. In case we are still inside this triangle and we're moving for higher, from here we would like to see, of course, a move toward the upside and continuation after 3 waves down. And this is our entry point, kind of. Of course, this can be seen on the 15-minute chart as well. So, yeah, basically, let's see, of course, the dominance for this week, what we could have, of course, for this week, of course, coming. As you can see on the daily, we see, of course, higher still percentage for the dominance. We see 59% still for Bitcoin, and of course, as we had the last week, seeing, of course, this impulse toward the upside, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it looks like 1, 2 here formation, and we're looking, of course, for higher dominance for Bitcoin. So I would say, yeah, higher chances for Bitcoin is to move for for this week over the altcoins. Of course, we gonna see maybe much more movement in Bitcoin rather than the altcoins. And yeah, so basically these are the scenarios. Now we have already, of course, here a 1, 2, 3, 4. And a 5, where we see, of course, this wave toward the upside. It looks like for me still 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. So basically, we can still have one more wave, of course, for this wave 5 to finish, since this can play as a wave 4 here. And probably, yeah, we move higher for Bitcoin, maybe this week still, since we have a 2 double 4, 5 to finish. Yeah, so basically, these are the insights for the Bitcoin dominance. We might see some red in the altcoins, maybe, or sideways, nobody knows. However, since we have made so much analysis this weekend as well for altcoins, most of them were pointing a little bit for lower prices, like SUI and Solana, and yeah, XRP also might also face a trend to the downside in the next week, probably. So basically, the over view with the market, crypto market, is getting a little bit to the side of Bitcoin, while on Bitcoin, Bitcoin still ranging in this triangle on the 1-hour chart, of course, until we break it. If we break this level, as I have mentioned, I would say, okay, that is something bearish might be unfolding here. But I mean, it's bearish short term, of course, guys, because we are in a big wave impulse toward the upside. So we need a lot to say that we are bearish. We need to break the whole impulse right now. Yeah, we're in this area. You're still very looking for a price just to move toward the upside. Yeah, until we reach the 886, taken, of course, from the wave 1, means 91,000, which is very far, right? So yeah, we're gonna see how this is gonna unfold, however, and in case, as we said right now in this video, if we are in ABC, probably your wave C gonna reach again the 0.38 probably, or maybe one fib level, which is the 0.5, one more time and move toward the upside. But we're gonna see this tomorrow how it's gonna move up. Yeah, so that was it for Bitcoin dominance and the follow up for the price action. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comment, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.